All right, folks, ready to feel inspired with fall recipe ideas that are as simple as they are delicious? Well, registered dietitian Kara Harbstreet with Street Smart Nutrition shares some tips from her home kitchen.
Yes, thanks so much for having me. And you're right, the classic flavors of fall never go out of style. And with Oui by Yoplait, your taste buds can enjoy two decadent flavors. Here we have our apple pie and pumpkin caramel. Each jar of this French-style yogurt is made with whole milk, pure cane sugar, and yogurt cultures, plus no artificial flavors or colors from artificial sources. They both have a deliciously thick, rich texture and a perfect balance of sweet and spiced flavors. Now, I was curious to learn a little bit more about which flavors our audience is loving, so I ran a quick poll. It turns out our Twitter fans are more likely to choose apple pie over pumpkin caramel, but over on Instagram, it was nearly a tie, with both flavors getting plenty of love. You truly can't go wrong when you reach for one of these jars on a crisp fall day, but if you're looking for a dairy-free option, Oui Dairy Free is a coconut-based dairy alternative. It's a great addition to keep in your fridge along with these seasonal flavors, and it's currently available in vanilla, strawberry, raspberry, and mango. Now, these simple snack options have been a lifesaver for me when working from home, but if we have a few minutes to spare, we can step it up a notch by adding Oui by Yoplait into quick and simple recipes like these. First, I've got a classic green smoothie that got a fall-inspired update. I've made a cinnamon apple smoothie using our Granny Smith apples, our vanilla-flavored Oui yogurt, and some fresh spinach for a nutrient boost. Just add that to your blender along with your favorite milk and some ice and enjoy some ground cinnamon sprinkled on top. Next, we have our peanut butter maple overnight oats. This is one of my all-time favorite recipes because you can prep it ahead of time and enjoy it straight out of the fridge on a busy morning. Simply combine rolled oats with our Oui maple flavored yogurt and a splash of milk and a spoonful of peanut butter or other nut butter. If you want an even heartier breakfast option, slice some banana on top when you're ready to eat, or add some crushed pecans or peanuts for a little crunch.
Wow, those are great tips. For more information, please visit www.oui, that's OUI, by Yoplait.com.